Everyone is your girl, your beautiful sister. If you never subscribe to my channel, try and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, my lovely people. Subscribe and like is your sister, your love, AB Media. God bless you for subscribing to my channel. Today I bring a little thing that is disturbing my head about people traveling. Traveling is my problem today. Is why I want to say it. Why can't we just arrange ourselves? Everything is not about traveling. Even the Europe one that they go, all this travel one that they go, nothing there everywhere. Everywhere is so hard now. There's no money all over the world. If you like, go Kafanchan. From here, go Kafanchan. There's no money. If you are making something in Africa, you're getting something in Africa, manage it very well. You don't need to stress yourself. You don't need to say, I want to go Europe, I want to go this way, I want to go US, I want to go there. Manage where you there, arrange yourself well, the manager. I can see many people coming to this outside country. When they come, they see the place and they see the work, they will tell you that if they know they are this kind of work, they will not come. Some of them they already come. They will say, okay, I want to go back. I want to take my ticket and go back. I don't want to stay in this country. Because they already see. They are not making anything. The Europe one that they talk, abroad one that they talk, it's not like before. It's not like before again, no. So guys, if you're doing something, it's giving you money in Africa, you better stay there and manage it. If you are working, they are paying you and that salary is okay for you. You save something in yourself, take care of your family. You are okay, manage yourself. You don't need to come Europe and stress yourself. There is no work again like before. Guys, okay, look at what happened for our brothers and sisters. They are those that inside the water because they want to go to Europe, because they want to go to abroad, because they want to make money. My brother, my sister, anywhere you are living, if you are getting money in that place, the advice I will give to everybody, manage that place, stay that place. If it's your country, stay there, manage, be doing your business. Europe is good when you're coming, you know that you're doing business, you buy something and go and sell in anywhere you go. Not you will come and stay. If they favor some people, you know they favor some people. You understand me? There's some people you favor. There's some people where you know they feel favor. So don't take because this is your brother or this lady because she stay abroad. You don't know what she's seeing there. It's not easy like before. Look at our people that are dying inside water. They are clean because of their cross. They want to go to Europe. They are clean, innocent people. Killing them anyhow like fowl. Guys, which time will get sense? And all those agents wey dey deceive una, wey dey tell una say if una just see talk, see grease, is very liar. Na dem be. I'm telling you guys, use your brain. If you have money, that money wey you go use travel, use am do business in Africa, you will get ×2. I'm telling you, Europe, outside country that you're seeing before, is not like now. Now everything change. You have to be very careful. No go and kill yourself because you want to travel obodo oyibo. You want to make like your family or your brother, your friends is in abroad. You don't know what the person is seeing. Sometimes many of them don't eat. They are looking for food to chop. They are looking for even for twilight na problem. Sometimes winter time you see somebody will be staying outside, no house to live, from one internet to another internet. They will go and pay internet overnight to sleep. They will go and pay internet overnight to sleep because they don't have house. You think it's easy in abroad? If you are doing something in Africa, my sister, my brother, manage it. Appreciate. Nothing there outside again. If you say you want to come, you're welcome. It's not easy. But as you say you want to come, you will see with your eye. You know, some of them, when you tell them the truth, tell them what is happening in abroad, they will say that you don't want them to come. Like my friend, I told him see what is going on in that in that in Europe. I told her, my girlfriend, she told me, if it's bad like that, why can't you come back? I told her, you not use me. My name is different. Your name is different. My name is your name is not the same. I have been here a long time. I'm telling you now, the way everywhere is hard now. Even me that stay here, you think it is easy for me? Me, I'm thinking to even come and stay in Africa. Europe is good to come and go, come do business and go, not to come and stay. I'm telling you guys, if you that time leave your business or you're working, you're managing yourself, leave it and come and stay in Europe. Only the difference is only light and the opportunity. But now the opportunity, you no see. You know even days again. No work. The work that some guys work here, some work guys work here. The work, if when you see the work, if you go tired, some go stand from morning till night. It's why if you see them, some of them their body will be shaking. If they want to give you something now, their hand will be shaking like this. Their leg will be shaking. Some of them they go dey iron from morning till night. My sister no be that kind of iron wey go iron sharp for Naija or for Africa. You go iron am no. Iron you go iron and it's not good for a man like that. You will see that they will not stay. They cannot sit down for one bit. Camera is watching you cannot sit down until they go break 1 o'clock and come inside 2 o'clock till 8 or 7 you close or 9. It's not easy. If you are getting something where you are living, where you are staying in the country you are, manage it well. You get wetin Igbo people dey talk say onya nọ ebe ọ nọ na-agị ya proverb na dey give una. Person go dey where im dey where no dey go dey hungry am. More na dey appreciate the one wey una get. More na dey manage am. Abroad nothing dey there. If you say you want to come. You see the way they clean themselves in they want to go to us cross water. Many of them die. Many of them they kill them. You don't see the video? You have to watch the video and see what is going on, what is happening in the world. So I'm begging you, African people, South Africa, you want to travel every day. You want to travel. See what is. It's not easy. Travel is not like buffet again. If you want to hear. If you don't want to come. If you don't want to hear, come if you want to come. Now your body will tell you. Every person will tell you. You're welcome to my AB Media, your sister, your love. Subscribe and like. God bless you. Bye.